Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Dr. Madhavi Vaish from Bharat Homeopathy. In my previous videos, I have shared the best foods that naturally stimulate neuroplasticity and improve better neural connections and transmission. In today's video, I will guide you through a complete 7-day diet plan from Monday to Sunday. It will include what you should eat and when. This video is going to be very informative because diet plays a vital role in speeding up recovery, enhancing brain health and supporting nerve function. Let's begin with the brain-friendly diet plan for Monday. Now, what you need to take in the breakfast. You should start your day with a colorful fruit bowl. It should contain berries like strawberries, blueberries, red grapes, and a sliced banana. These are rich in antioxidants and support brain health. Now, what for brunch snack? You should have a small handful of walnuts and pumpkin seeds for healthy fats and zinc. For lunch, you can eat a bowl of quinoa pulao with sauteed vegetables like carrots, spinach, broccoli. You can also add tofu for plant-based protein. Your evening snack, or you may call it post-lunch snack, should be light and easy to digest. You can have a bowl of steamed sweet potatoes with a pinch of cinnamon. Now let's discuss what you can eat for dinner. You can enjoy a warm vegetable soup with cabbage, carrots and corn. Now it's time for Tuesday. Let's discuss the full day meal routine. Let's begin your day with a bowl of oatmeal topped with apple and chia seeds. You can add a teaspoon of flax seeds for omega-3s. You can take a cucumber and carrot salad drizzled with lemon for brunch. Now, what for lunch? It should be nutritious and full of ingredients. You can have whole wheat pasta tossed in olive oil with bell peppers, spinach and mushrooms. For post-lunch snack, you can have a fruit smoothie made from berries, banana and a splash of almond milk. Now it's time for dinner. You should eat stir-fried zucchini and tofu with a sprinkle of black pepper. Let's know how your Wednesday diet chart should be. Begin your day with the apple cinnamon oatmeal with a few sunflower seeds. You can take a bowl of red grapes and small cubes of dark chocolate, 70% cocoa for brunch. For lunch, it is best to consume quinoa and brown rice served with boiled carrots and spinach. For a post-lunch snack, you can take a cup of unsalted popcorn. Let's come to the dinner. You can consume grilled cauliflower and tofu with lemon and herbs. Now it's your fourth day. It's Thursday. You can eat a bowl of blueberries for breakfast. For brunch snack, you can consume stir-fried tofu with lettuce and cabbage. Brown rice with lentil curry and sauteed green vegetables is the best combination for lunch. Now, what for post-lunch snack? You can have broccoli and corn soup. For dinner, you can eat quinoa pulao with steamed veggies. Now we have come to Friday. Let's know what you can eat for Friday. In the morning, you can take oatmeal with apple slices, strawberries and soy or almond milk. For brunch snack, you can consume a small bunch of red grapes and 4 to 5 almonds. Tofu and vegetable pulao with sauteed cabbage and carrots is the best for lunch. For post-lunch snack, you can have carrot and beetroot soup. Your dinner should be light and easy to digest. You can eat stir-fried bell peppers and cauliflower with a dash of turmeric. Now let's come to Saturday. Begin your day with a fresh lettuce and mushroom salad with olive oil dressing. Brunch snack, you can take a handful of blueberries and pineapple chunks for brunch. For lunch, you can eat grilled tofu and vegetables with a side of brown rice. You can drink orange juice after lunch. For dinner, you can eat grilled zucchini and bell peppers. Let's discuss the diet chart for Sunday. Start your day with a bowl of mixed berries. You can have cherries and pineapple slices for brunch. For lunch, you can eat pasta salad with olive oil, steamed carrots and a cup of soy milk. You can eat sliced pears with cinnamon for evening snacks. Now let's come to the dinner. You can take grilled tofu with lemon paired with steamed veggies. Alright, so this is a complete diet plan for stroke patients. After a stroke, it is very crucial to consume antioxidants and anti-inflammatory foods to enhance neuroplasticity and nerve function. I hope you found this video helpful. Please like, share and subscribe to Bharat Homeopathy YouTube channel for more health related interesting videos. Thanks.